Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create the most realistic voice for our chatbot and we'll be converting text to speech and achieving natural lifelike results. But first, let's check out the final output. Here it is.
That person I have met yesterday was amazing.
Oh, what's so good about it?
Well, well, what? Well, you should find it out by yourself.
All right, we'll meet him.
Now you can see how realistic this sound is. It feels just like two-person having a conversation. Now let me show you how you can create something just like this, whether it's for customer support, customer services, healthcare, or just for a fun project. This tactic will make your chatbot sounds more engaging and interactive. So let's dive in. So this is the code where all the magic is happening. You can see that we are using Google's text to speech API in this implementation. So let me walk you through the code step by step. First, we'll start by importing all the required libraries. You can see we have imported OS, and from google.cloud we have imported the text-to-speech module. Next, we set up our Google credentials. Then we'll create a API. We'll create a client to call the API. This is done here. You can see this. Now, here is where all the magic is happening actually. We define a conversation using multi-speaker setting. Each turn in this conversation is represented sequentially. For example, you can see there is a turn 1, turn 2, turn 3 and so on. And we are defining all these in a sequential order. Let me explain this more clearly. So turn dot speaker means it defines the speaker for a particular turn. For instance, we have two speakers here. You can see R and S. So in turn 1, R speaks. In turn 2, you can see S speaks. In turn 3, R speaks again, and so on. And you can see there is turn.text. Turn.text specifies what the speakers say in each turn. After defining all these turns, speakers, and their respective text, we use multi-speaker markup to synthesize the input. All the turns are appended into multi-speaker markup and then synthesized input is generated. Next, we configure the voice and audio setting. Language code, here you can see there is a language code. So language code specifies the language. You can choose different languages from Google Text to Speech API documentation. There are a lot of languages available, so you can choose from there, like Hindi, Japanese, or like Spanish. You can choose. There are a lot of languages, so you can choose any of them. And you can also configure the voice as well. Okay, once the configuration is complete, we set this synthesized input to the API and the API responds with audio in a binary format. So the response of that API will be a binary format audio. Okay, then this binary data is written to a file such as we have assigned here is like multi.mp3. So we'll write that binary data in this file. So if we'll run this code, we'll be able to generate the output audio file. Here is the output that we are gonna get after running this code. Now you can listen to this output as well.
That person I have met yesterday was amazing.
Oh, what's so good about it?
Well, well, what? Well, you should find it out by yourself.
All right, we'll meet him.
Okay, so now you can like see how it's working actually. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.